Welcome to this channel. This is a class for USS 2026 examination. Maths. There are 3 model questions and method of answering. The first question is given for you and you can try with the second and third questions. Okay, let us read. Number 1. The digit at the unit place of square root of m is 4. What will be the digit at the unit place of square root of 9m? Answer. Given that square root of m is equal to a number with the place value 1 is 4. അതായത് ഒറ്റയുടെ സ്ഥാനത്ത് 4 ആണ്. Place value 1 is 4. And we can find the digit at the unit place of square root of 9m by writing square root of 9m is equal to square root of 9 into square root of m. And we know that square root of 9 is 3 because 3 into 3 is equal to 9 and a number ending with the place value 1, 4. So when we multiply this number, that is 3, and another number with the place value 1 is 4, we will get 3 into 4, 12. So the number 2 comes in the place of place value 1. So the answer is 2. Okay. Here there is a trick for you. That is, within 30 seconds you will find the answer. That is, square root of m is a number ending with the 4 and square root of 9m is equal to square root of 9 into m, square root of m. So 9, square root of 9 is 3. So 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So 2 is the answer. Okay. Let us see the second and third questions. Number 2. The digit at the unit place of square root of m is 9. What will be the digit at the unit place of square root of 16m? Answer is 6. So how will you get this number? There is a number 9 and the square root of 16m is equal to square root of 16 into square root of m. Square root of 16 is 4. So 4 into a number ending with 9. We will get 4 into 9, 36. So the end number, place value 1 is 6. Okay. Number 3. The digit at the unit place of square root of m is 5. What will be the digit at the unit place of square root of 49m? Here also a number ending with the 5. So square root of 49 is 7. 7 into 5 is equal to 35. So place value 1 unit place of the number will be 5. Okay. Thank you.